Hi, so I have purple hair now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Yes, I have purple hair now and I'm not sure about it, but we're going with it. I've put purple over my blue like twice. Did have this like denim-y blue shade that I really liked, but it washed out in one wash, so yeah. I asked my mum to get me another purple hair dye, Manic Panic Purple Haze I think it is. I wasn't really expecting much just because every purple I've put on top has done nothing or only a little bit and not gone purple. And here I am with really bright purple hair. It's not just a tinge of purple, this is like, she has purple hair. So today I'm back again. I know I just uploaded, well for me it was yesterday, I put up the Norvina Volume 2 palette review, and what came in the post this morning was Volume 3. Yeah. When I filmed Volume 2, I didn't know Volume 3 was coming out. I am a little bit overwhelmed. Now I can put in my bat earrings. In my last video, I said it was not too early. I don't think it's too early, but because the palette was so summery, I didn't want to be too autumnal for a summery look. Whereas this palette is more autumnal, so yeah. And this is like the autumnal one. So it was supposed to be like spring, summer, autumn. This is the PR box. Another eye primer, my 5th one. Gonna put these in a giveaway because I really just don't need 5. I haven't even finished my first one yet, so although I do want to try it again, and if I do and I like it, then I mean, you know, might keep them. I absolutely love this PR box, it's so cute. So this is the packaging. I kind of feel like this is my favourite packaging wise. This is what it looks like inside. Again, my camera makes this look washed out. Okay, that's a bit better. There you go. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this also comes out tomorrow, which is the 26th. I don't know why they did these two so close together. Probably do another half cut crease because I've done a half cut crease for every single palette, and then I can kind of compare the look I did. I don't have any oat milk left. Oh my god, that's disgusting. So I'm having to have a black tea. I'm not even going to drink that. I can't drink it. I can't do it. I'm going to prime my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade 02. I'm really excited for this palette actually. When I saw it, it's just very autumnal and pretty, and it's just I actually like the layout because it kind of gives you more inspiration. I feel like when palettes are put in like colour order or like your usual kind of order, you stick to what they're put in, so you don't kind of go out your comfort zone and use different colour combinations. But I think it's quite nice to see something a bit different, as a lot of palettes look the same, whereas I feel like these look cool because they all look different. And yeah, I think I want to go in with like the oranges on my lid. I think I'm going to go in with E2 first, which is this like warm brown, and I'm going to pack that on my outer corner. As I thought it would be, super pigmented and a really nice shade actually. Now I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of C2 just to help blend out that shade so that it goes into the oranges alright. I don't want too much of this though because it's quite a red shade and I'm going to be using greens and I don't really want it to look like Christmas. So just packing that a little bit on and then a little bit above that first shade. Now I'm going to go in with A5, which is this stunning orange shade. I love it. It's just a little bit deeper than A2, quite similar. And I'm going to pack that again, a little bit on, a little bit above. I am going pretty much over that red shade. I don't really like that shade for this look, so I'm kind of going in over it. But also, I only put a little bit to help kind of transition into these shades. And I'm also going to bring this shade further in my crease. Going back in with a little bit of that first shade just to blend those out and also bring it a bit further out here because I didn't wing it out beforehand. Now going in with a bit of A2, which is just a lighter version of the A5 shade. Just taking that above. I need a little bit because I don't have that much space. Now I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of E3, which is kind of like a really peachy, corally shade, just to blend out those edges. It's all kind of blending into one shade, which is fine because I haven't left enough space. They blend really nicely, as I thought they would. Now I'm going to go into some shimmers on my lid. Not sure what shades though, as always. I think the purple will be good with the red tones. So I'm just going to pack that on. This is D5, by the way. Oh, I said it was D5, it was E5, the purple. I'm now going to go in with D5, which is the shade above, which is this really pretty, like, orangey, goldy shade. I'm so bad at explaining shades and stuff. And I'm just putting that next. Oh my god, that's beautiful. And then finally on the inner part of the half cut crease, I'm going to put the shade C1, which is like this really pretty light gold, a little bit greeny shade, I feel like. Those applied really nicely. I'm going to go off camera, do my base, and then come back and finish off the eyes, and yeah, do the lower lash line. So kind of want to take some of these greens. I think I'm going to go with E1 maybe, D3 and A1. I kind of want to go in with the green shimmer on my inner corner just because the other shimmers I've used, or they wouldn't go with this look. There aren't many shimmers which I like. Might add one of the lighter shades to make it a bit lighter, but yeah, that's cool. Gonna finish off my face and then come back and tell you my opinion. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm not that happy with how this look turned out. I don't know why. The palette is absolutely stunning and I want to do like different colour combinations, but I'm excited to use the other colours. I think it's beautiful. I think, honestly, this is my second favourite. I think volume 2 is my favourite because it's the most colourful. I want to use this for more autumnal looks, obviously. I think it's just gorgeous. And obviously the quality is amazing because ABH shadows are amazing. These Norvina volumes are all amazing quality. The things I don't like is that there are quite a few shades in these palettes that are matte with glitter in, and that's like my least favourite thing in the world. I really don't understand why that's a thing. I mean, in the future I might like love these shades. Like I used to hate certain things as well. Like I used to hate when people highlighted the nose. I never knew why people did it, and now I love highlighting my nose. Stuff like that. You know, I used to do different things and I used to like different things. So I might change my opinion in the future, but for now, like I literally don't understand why matte shades with glitter in are a thing. This will be up the day it's available. I will try and link it down below if it's available at that time that I upload it. I'm sure it will be because I'm uploading in the evening. It's going to be the same price, I think £68 I believe. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. So that is the volume 3 and that's the series complete basically. Didn't think it would turn out to be a series, but I thought I'd make it into one. Let me know which palette's your favourite and which one you would like to get, or which one you're going to get, or which ones you're going to get, or which ones do you want to get if you want to get them all. I personally probably would have wanted to buy them all, and I probably would have bought volume 1 when it came out. If it wasn't on the PR list, I probably would have bought volume 1 when it came out and then been a bit disappointed because I would have preferred volume 2. I'm so grateful and glad that I'm on the PR list because I would be poor with the amount of launches that ABH have come out with. But I feel like they're all beautiful in their own way, and I feel like I definitely will get use out of all of them. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you are new. It would really mean a lot. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.